YouTube. I'm in freaking 3D and it's hot. I have been gone a long time and I have been working round the clock. Sometimes I'm gone from home for 2 days, working back and forth on my jobs. But anyway, the lack of sleep, the wrong eating has really made me feel tired, made me start to gain weight. It's not that I haven't been eating right. I haven't really been eating. And it's too hot in here. Take you guys out here. Yeah. So, I don't have time to work out or I'm too tired, so I'll take you walking around in the salon. Yeah, I'm waiting for a client, so when I'm waiting on a client, I usually just walk around the shop so maybe I burn 100 calories. But yeah, I've been gaining weight because that's the radio. I haven't been home to cook. I'm thinking I'm going home at one time and I'm called in for another 8 hours. And then I don't have any food prepared, so I have to go out and buy something that I could just eat. Well, I don't have to cook, just microwave. And everybody know your microwavable and prepackaged meals are so high in sodium. So I just wanted to come say I'm here. I'm still here, and I need to make a video. And I need to get back on track. Simple as that. I need to get back on track because this is not doing it. Yeah, so I'm just like so extremely tired. I mean, you can see it in my face. You can see bags under my eyes. But I got to do what I got to do. Another thing, my daughter, she's graduating. I don't know if this video will be up by the time she graduates or before she graduates, but she graduates May 29th. That is my baby. And I have now grown children. But, yeah. I gotta make sure I don't run into anything. So, yeah, I just came to talk, to let you guys know that I am still around. Even though I'm not on track, I'm going to get back on track because we got to lose that weight anyway. But yeah, my daughter, she's graduating and she'll start her new job June 3rd. And she will start college in the fall locally here in Riverside. I don't know. I guess that's about all I have to say right now. If I do, I'll. And then I'm also making this video from my phone, which I never done before. But anyway, I don't know how it's gonna work, but okay. Talk to you later.